If Lightroom is showing error code 21, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error is usually caused by a permission issue, corrupted preferences, or a problem accessing your catalog or Adobe folders. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without losing your work. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's start with the first and easiest solution, running Lightroom as an administrator. Close Lightroom completely, then right-click the Lightroom icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the extra permission it may need to open correctly. If Lightroom launches normally after this, then the issue was likely a permissions problem. If the error still appears, the next step is to reset Lightroom preferences. On Windows, hold Shift and Alt while opening Lightroom. Keep holding those keys until you see the option to reset preferences. Click Reset Preferences and let Lightroom restart with fresh settings. Corrupted preferences can cause all kinds of startup errors, and this step often clears them out fast. Now let's fix folder permissions. Lightroom may fail if it can't properly read or write to its folders. Open File Explorer and go to C/users/yourname/pictures/Lightroom. Make sure this folder exists and that your Windows account has full access to it. Then check C/users/yourname/appdata/roaming/Adobe as well. If either location has restricted permissions, Lightroom may throw error code 21. You can right-click the folder, open Properties, and review the Security tab to make sure your user account has permission to read and write. If you still have the problem, temporarily disable your antivirus and test Lightroom again. Sometimes security software blocks Adobe files or folders by mistake. Turn it off only long enough to check whether Lightroom opens properly. If that fixes the issue, don't leave your antivirus off. Instead, go into your antivirus settings and whitelist the Adobe Lightroom and the Adobe folders so they won't be blocked again. If none of those steps work, the final fix is to repair or reinstall Lightroom. First, uninstall Lightroom from your system. After that, manually remove any leftover Adobe folders if they are still present, especially old preference or cache files that may be corrupted. Then reinstall Lightroom fresh from Adobe Creative Cloud. A clean reinstall often resolves stubborn error code 21 problems when damaged files or broken permissions are the cause. So to quickly recap, run Lightroom as administrator, reset preferences, check folder permissions, test with antivirus temporarily disabled, and if needed, repair or reinstall the app. In most cases, one of these steps will get Lightroom working again. If this video helps you fix Lightroom error code 21, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.